Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Focus Pro, and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, even the settings. Just have the keyboard on the screen. Right now all we have to do is to enter the settings of the keyboard. So let's tap on this four squares icon, I believe, and enter languages. I just wanted to enter the whole list, so let's enter more and then tap on languages. Here we've got the list of the languages which we've got currently applied. We've got English and Spanish, and under it more languages to choose from. So I highly recommend to simply find your language and then tap on this plus icon to add it to the list of applied languages. As you can see here, we've got the hint of how to use the keyboard if we've got more than one language added. So all we have to do is to swipe on our spacebar to change the language. What is more, on the spacebar we've got the name of the language we're currently using, which is especially useful as if the layouts are similar between specific languages. So this is how to add the language to the keyboard, and now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you don't want to have 2 or 3 languages added. So simply go to the very top of this list right here, and all we have to do is to untick the option which we don't want to use. So for example, in my case, this audio one and the Spanish option. And as you can see, after getting back to the keyboard, you will be able to see that we've got only English and we cannot swipe on the spacebar, which means that we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.